Hey guys, so in this video we'll be having a quick tutorial of how to duplicate your junk in Fallout 76, and welcome to Tutorials by David. Hey guys, so duplicating junk in Fallout 76 is a controversial but widely searched topic, and while Bethesda has patched many exploits over the years, understanding how the application method used to work helps explain why they no longer function reliably today. So most junk duplication glitches historically relied on server desync, stash, timing errors, or container transfer bugs, usually involving precise steps with workbenches, drop bags, or public containers. However, as of 2026, actively duplicating junk um, through glitches can result in items wipes or account penalties. The safest and intended way to duplicate junk is by farming high yield locations, scraping weapons and armor with the scraper perk, using workshops with resource extractors, and maximizing events like radiation rumble or eviction notice. So in short, while true duplication exploits are risky and largely patched, efficient farming and perk optimization remains the best legitimate way to stack junk fast in Fallout 76.